Peanut ran away.
Oh, I'm sure he'll come back.
He must be in the garden somewhere.
I hope so. I really miss Peanut, even if he can't do tricks.
You can't make him do tricks, Philip. That's not how having a pet works.
Maddie never makes me do things. I do them when I want to.
So, pets are like friends?
The best friends.
Companions to share your day with when you're together. Triggs is a dog, but he's so much more. I've never had a friend like him before.
My best friend is Maddie. We're close as can be.
Pets are more than pets. Pets are family.
When Maddie can't find a game she wants to play, I'll help her find it right away.
When Triggs needs a tummy rub, he can count on me. Pets are more than pets. Pets are family. An animal can do so much, and they know just how we feel.
We learn from each other and the love we share is real. I sit and listen when she needs to talk.
And I grab the lead when he wants to walk.
She brushes my hair, and that proves she loves me.